मिशन चढ़ती कला। और मैं भारत के हर नागरिक को, उद्योगपति को, चैरिटेबल ट्रस्टों को, कलाकारों को, पूरी दुनिया में बसते पंजाबियों को, बहन भाइयों को दिल से अपील करता हूँ, आओ पंजाब को दोबारा अपने पाँव पे खड़े करने का टाइम आ गया है। पुनर्वास में और रिस्ट्रक्चर में पंजाब का साथ दीजिए। मैं वचन देता हूँ, जो भी आप मेहनत की कमाई से 1 रुपया भी अगर निकालोगे तो 1.25 रुपया बना के हम पारदर्शिता और ईमानदारी से इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और जानकारी चाहिए तो rangla.punjab.gov.in ये वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, सब कुछ डिटेल मिल जाएगा। आओ मिलकर हाथ से हाथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा पुण्य उसमें योगदान डालें और बता दें दुनिया को कि पंजाब किसी भी संकट के सामने हारता नहीं है।
Hi, you're watching The Suvera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As you know that Punjab has faced devastating floods this time, and to help the farmers, now Punjab Agriculture University, they have set up a stall over here at the Kisan Mela. This stall is providing free soil testing to the farmers across the state of the Punjab. So farmers, they are turning up in huge number to get their soil tested here at the Kisan Mela in Punjab Agriculture University. We are having with us soil chemist Dr. Janpriya. Welcome ma'am to The Suvera. Ma'am, how many farmers they are turning up and they are availing this facility?
Around 43 samples of the irrigation water and 32 samples of the soil samples have been collected from yesterday. And soil sample we are doing free because of the floods. So we are giving the relief to the farmers, and for irrigation water samples we are collecting the amount.
So is it the number you mentioned, is it about this particular store or overall in your soil testing lab or in the other stalls?
No, it's over this stall only.
Only this particular stall?
Yes.
Okay. And what are you awaiting the farmers that how they should bring their samples to so that proper soil testing can be done?
See, soil sampling, the procedure, they know that around 1 to 15 centimeter or for 6 inch we make the V-shape cut, and we scrap the soil sample and put it in the polythene bags from 4-5 areas of a field and collect it collectively, and then make a representative soil sample of about half kg and bring it to this stall, and mentioning about the village name, farmer name and location from where it belongs. And for irrigation water, it is we have to just start the tube well for 2-3 minutes, and after that we will collect the sample in a clean water bottle that is of plastic, and it should not be washed with any chemical or soap.
So as floods have affected different districts of Punjab, how you feel the soil mixed with silt and other material they are now dumped in the fields of the farmer, how it is going to affect their fields for the coming wheat cultivation season?
We have collected the soil samples from all the districts that are being affected by the floods. So accordingly, we will analyze the samples for the silt content and clay content and how much deposition is there. So accordingly, we will give the report. Yes.
So, what kind of appeal you want to make to the farmers that as it is a 2-day Kisan Mela which is concluding today, so what are how they can bring the samples further, how they can approach the Punjab Agriculture University for the same?
The sampling procedure is same. So we will appeal that regularly after 2 years soil sample testing should be done, so that we can, it is clarified that how much content of the nutrients is present in the soil, and accordingly on the soil test basis they add the fertilizer, so that cost of cultivation is also reduced. Along with that, their our environments also get less polluted.
So they have to bring that sample to the soil testing lab.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So
Department Soil Science, PAU, bring in that, and there we will do the sampling, but it is charging.
okay.
It's not free in that case.
Okay, free. It is only free for 2 days here at Kisan Mela. Otherwise, it will be chargeable.
Yes.
And what is the cost?
100 for the micronutrients and 100 for the other new elements. 200 per sample.
So, as you heard that in this 2-day Kisan Mela, Punjab Agriculture University has offered the farmers free soil testing, as this time Punjab has faced worse floods. So, soil, silt, clay they have deposited in their fields. So, now they have appealed the farmers to come up with their soil samples and get it tested before the wheat cultivation, and now the farmers, they are turning up. Some of the farmers, they have turned up here at the stall. Some of the farmers, they are directly depositing the samples at the soil testing lab and at other stalls. So this free facility was only for the 2 days here at the Kisan Mela, and today, as the Kisan Mela is concluding, after this the farmers, they will be charged as per mentioned by the soil test. Okay, as per the soil scientist, it is mentioned that they will be charged, it is around 150. So they, the farmers, they have to bring the soil sample at the soil testing lab and soil science department of Punjab Agriculture University to get it tested. So you're watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.